Last but not least, Nyarani Voices believes in embracing women because healthy women create healthy nation and health communities. I don't know what you have in store for women and the message you'd want to send to the women, because we see that women are the starter of great homes. They initiate healthy families, healthy leadership. They are the key makers and the basic units when we talk about good health. Do you have specialized services for women as well?
Absolutely, we do. And yes, you're right. Women play a very great role in driving the economic wheel of a country. And here at PCEA Kikuyu Hospital, if I tell you, in terms of gender balance, we are at 70-30.
Wow.
70 is female, 30 is male.
It's male.
So boy child is in trouble here, but it's mainly because of the
We're
nursing.
talking about the clients, in terms of the issue is for the clients.
No, that's for the staff.
For the staff.
For the clients, it's kind of balanced.
Okay.
It's kind of balanced, 50-50 thereabout. Yeah, it doesn't fall on one gender. But yes, as you mentioned, women play a great role, and that's why I was mentioning, even here at Kikuyu Hospital,
yes,
you find a great population is a female. In terms of the clients, we have our maternity here. They can come and sup. We have the ANC, the clinic. We have obscene services. We have a pediatric ward, pediatric clinic for the children. And every year we have, sensitization about cancer. Okay, for the breast, even for the men, prostate and etc. And the screening is done for free.
Wow.
We only charge a small fee just to take care of the consumables. I think it's normally 300 shillings.
I am a beneficiary of those services.
You see? Well,
yes.
Great. Can see you're one of us.
Yes, I am.
Yeah.
And I really appreciate the good work you're doing.
Thank you.
Everyone.
Absolutely.
Regardless of where people come from, their status of life, we all appreciate that.
We are humbled. Thank you for that.
Thank you.
Yeah, so we have wellness packages, not only for women, even men, where you just come mostly once a year. You go through some medical checkups just to see whether you're 100% healthy. Where there are issues, we help you to handle them. So yes, and for women, we have all that wellness packages. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Part in short, as we wrap up the conversation, what message of hope, wellness, and even empowerment you'd like to share with our audiences, these that are listening and watching you?
Thank you, Charity. Yes, I would like to say that your health is your wealth. Because when you're in that hospital bed, the only goal you have in life is one, just getting well, nothing else. You can't start thinking of building wealth when you are sick. So let's take care of our bodies. Let's check what we eat, because like the saying goes, we are what we eat. Most of these ailments...
Hapo sana. We are what we eat.
Absolutely. Most of these ailments come because of lack of knowledge. It's good to choose well. And out there are a lot of varieties, but the choice is yours.
Yeah, sure.
What do you choose? So it's good to have that balance. Of course, you can once in a while indulge in some junk, but let's try to just eat healthy, have I would say at least annual checkups, medical checkups, just to make sure if, for example, cancer is detected early, it can be treated so fast.
And when you talk about now cancer, because it's a menace, especially now in the health industry, I tend to feel ignorance is also part of the people, because this information is out there. There are people who are going to listen to you, and you're advocating for these early checkups, and people get the information, but do they really actualize that information? So I feel there's a big portion of ignorance that our people have.
Yeah, absolutely. It's good to read. And nowadays we have the internet. There's everything you need in the internet. Those years back, we used to go to libraries, look for books. But now with your phone, with your laptop, you're able to just access the internet, and all information is there. But choose wisely what you read.
Very true.
Because they say, if you believe everything you read, they don't read. So yeah, get empowered by just taking care of your health. Your health is in your hands. So it's for you to choose whether you want to indulge in activities that will affect your health negatively, or you want to engage in activities that are healthy. And they're out there. You're welcome to visit PCEA Kikuyu Hospital, not just for treatment, but for wellness. We also have a mental health section.
Okay.
We have webinars we hold at least once a month. Yeah, just to share with the staff and the wider public audience.
Oh, yes. And it's a matter of logging in, you listen.
You just log in, you listen, mostly in the evenings. And because, as you are saying, ignorance is no defense. You can't say, I didn't know that I should do this so that my health is improved or something. So yeah, karibuni PCEA Kikuyu Hospital. Hapa kila kitu hiko, matibabu na pia wellness. Thank you.
Thank you so much. We are grateful for having us for this amazing conversation.
Thank you.
And also thank you for partnering with Nyarari Voices. We have an amazing event on October 4th where you are much, much welcome.
And we'll be there.
Asante
and
sana.
we'll support.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
We are much humbled. May you continue raising and shining, and we are proud of what you're doing as the CEO and the entire PCEA Kikuyu Hospital.
Thank you very much.
May God bless you so much.
Asante sana.
Thank you so much. We've come to an end of our show today, and may God bless you so much. If you want to subscribe, like, share, and comment. This is PCEA Kikuyu Hospital, their website, the same, PCEA Kikuyu Hospital. Bye-bye. Until next time, God bless you.